Alright, now I'm going to be showing you all how to make the homemade disinfectant wipes. Now, how I make it is, I get a baby wipe. It can be name brand, it can be off brand, it doesn't matter. But I usually try to get the kind that's like for sensitive skin, or, you know, like doesn't have a lot of ingredients. That one says made with 99% water, filtered over 3 different times. Usually these don't have a lot of chemicals anyway, because they're normally made, to clean babies' butt with. But I'm going to turn them into powerful disinfectant wipes. So what I do is, since you can't go buy disinfectant wipes because they're sold out, make them own. I'm not just going to use straight alcohol. I'm going to add a little LYSOL cleaner to it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm taking this bottle right here. It says LYSOL hydrogen peroxide multi-purpose cleaner, and just pour it in there. And let's get that up a little bit. There we go, so it's soaking in there. Alright, and now for the double strength cleaner, I got some EVERCLEAR 190 proof alcohol. Pour it in there. Alright, and those are my powerful disinfectant wipes.